All right, let's show you what's going on in Mission Bay this morning. A lot of clouds to start off our morning. A few showers here or there. We will see that chance for showers as we head through the day. Pinpoint Doppler live going right now. Overall pretty quiet, but you can see that rain just offshore near Pacific Beach that may be able to skirt our coastline. But those storms are kind of moving in a northerly direction right now, wrapping around the center of this storm. So all of this is going to be pushing inland as we head through the day today. So we'll see occasional showers, light to mostly moderate. However, any thunderstorms that form will have the ability to produce that brief heavy rain. And as far as this afternoon goes, it does look like this afternoon into this evening, as the center of that storm pushes through, is when our best chance for shower and thunderstorm activity will be. So just be prepared for that. And remember, if you hear thunder roar, head indoors. That lightning is close enough to hit you if you can hear that thunder. Today, temperatures away from our coastline will be 5 to 30 degrees cooler than yesterday. We will see temperatures warming up by the end of the week, closer to normal, but today is going to be one of the cooler days, and we will see showers, that chance for showers, linger into tomorrow morning. Along our coast, highs will be in the mid to upper 60s this week. We will see a lot more clouds today and tomorrow, a shallower marine layer Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And another system does look like it's going to bring at least a slight chance for some showers late Sunday into Monday. Our inland neighborhoods were in the 60s today and tomorrow. Normal for this time of the year is about 77. We're right back there on Friday before cooling takes over into the weekend. The mountains, a big drop in temperatures. This is where that 30-degree drop in temperatures is today. 40s today, back into the 60s by Wednesday, and we'll be in the 80s and 90s this week in the deserts.